everyone. My name is Millicent Silla. I'm a student at the University of Maryland Global Campus. Welcome to my presentation on market basket analysis using association rules mining. So in this project, I analyzed bakery transaction data to identify meaningful relationships between products. Today, I will walk you through the visualizations created in Tableau and highlights gained from it. Now, the first visualization I created is a scattered plot. I call it scattered plot of association rules, support versus confidence. Now, this scatter plot shows all association rules based on support and confidence. Each point represents a rule, such as cake and tea, or pastry and coffee, or toast and coffee. The darker color here shows a more strong relationship than the lighter color. Now, the rules with higher support and confidence are more reliable and indicate stronger item relationship. Now, we can see that the relationship between cake and tea here is very strong. The correlation there is positive. People that works, let me say for example, walks into 7-Eleven, buy tea, those people will likely buy cake. And so, when a customer walking again says a customer wants to buy a coffee, some of them again will likely buy cake. And so what is my recommendation here? My recommendation here is put the cake just as a customer walking in front of where the tea is, put the cake right there. Or you can make it a bundle. When you make it a bundle, that is a strategy to increase sales. So a customer doesn't need to look for where the cake is anymore. The moment the customer walks into the store, they will look at the bundle that has tea and cake. Automatically, they will just purchase that. And the next one I'm going to talk about is the bar chart. The top 10 rules by Lyft. Now, the bar chart ranks the strongest rule by Lyft. Now, Lyft measures how much more likely items are to be purchased together compared to random chance. A Lyft above 1 shows a meaningful association. So again, let's look at tea and cake. You can see that they rhyme so well. And if you look at the longest bar here, is tea and cake has the longest bar. They rhyme very well. The association is so good that a customer who buys tea will likely buy cake. And the next one I'm going to talk about is a Lyft histogram, which is the Lyft, I call it the Lyft distribution. Now, this illustrates how Lyft values are distributed across all rules. So most rules fall slightly above 1, meaning moderate associations. But a few rules stand out as personal, strong. Now, clicking on each of this bar, you can see that the Lyft bin here is 1.1. Here is 1.4. Here is 1.6. Now let's go to the next one, which is the confidence histogram, the confidence distribution. Now the confidence histogram shows how predictable the rules are. Some rules have confidence levels between 0.50, this is 0.05, 0.1, 0.15, 0.2, 0.3, 0.50, 0.55, 0.70, indicating that some rules have, like I said, have confidence level between 0.50 and 0.50, 0.70, indicating strong reliability, when predicting customer behavior. Now the next one is the support distribution, the support histogram. Now this shows how often item combinations appear in the dataset. Most rules have low support, which is common in retail data, but rules with even slightly higher support are more rational. Now, I'm going out to the dashboard. The dashboard is a summary of all the visualizations. That is scattered plot, the bar chart, the lifts, distribution, the confidence, and the support. Like I said, the strongest rules are those with both high lift and moderate confidence. Like tea, coffee, Mediolanum, and pastry. Bread has strong associations. So although support is low overall, these relationships can still guide marketing. These relationships can still guide the marketing. Either to what can you do to increase sales? What area to focus on to increase sales? In conclusion, the market-based analysis provide a valuable insight into purchasing patterns. The combination of support, confidence, and lifts helps identify product relationships that can drive better business decisions. I thank you very much for watching my presentation. God bless you.